Hey girlfriends, we are doing another wash day, but this is just going to be the styling part. If you're interested in seeing the actual wash day portion, go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave a link up in the cards above. But I think it's looking pretty good. So here are a few quick clips of me doing the twist in the back of my hair. It's nothing new. I always do twists, so the same old for the back. I did the twist portion in the morning because I don't usually do this, but I woke up early this morning and washed my hair, and it was a work day. I was working from home, so I had to do the second half later. I just washed and did the twist in the back, and then I left the shower cap on the front part of my hair with leave-in so the moisture could stay in the hair while I was working.
Six and a half hours later.
And then I came back to continue the front. So I knew I wanted to do flat twist in the front. And it's funny, I actually did the same hairstyle this very same weekend last year. It definitely wasn't planned, but it's a really good coincidence that it happened on the same exact weekend. Anyways, I'm doing flat twist in the front. When I do those, I like to pre-part all my hair or most of the hair, so that when I get rolling, I'm rolling. So it just makes it easier for me in the long run. So when I say I need a cut, and this is what y'all don't see, when I did my first curly cut, someone was like, she's cutting off too much hair. She really was not, because if you look at my hair, you see how you can't see through this part here, but once you get to the bottom, it starts thinning out and you can see through it. So I want this cut off. And I can feel single strand knots and stuff. So this little piece here. So for the people in the back that were saying that she was cutting off too much hair, also, if I agree on it, if it's damaged or not, if I agree for her to cut it, then that's what it's gonna be, because it's my hair, so I can cut off as much as I want. Just wanted to come on and say that because I noticed that when doing these last few pieces on this side, that they need to go. All right, so now I'm gonna try to do twists, like flat twists. So it's the first time doing this in a while, and I usually get really frustrated when I have to do flat twists if it doesn't come out the way I want it to. See, single strand knot, and I'm gonna cut it. So I already sprayed my leave-in, and I think that's why my hair is so soft, because that was at 9 o'clock. It's almost 5 o'clock right now. I told y'all I had to work. So my hair is like still feeling soft to the touch. So that leave-in was good. Plus the shower cap really helped keep that moisture up here. So I think I'm gonna try, I don't know, I haven't done this in a while, so I'm gonna try to go in with the Mousse. It's a little half pump. And I'm gonna try to twist. All right, see, I'm gonna do this, and then when it dries, it's gonna look, well, let me not speak that into existence, but I told y'all I get so, like, if it doesn't look perfect, I don't want it. And so that is really bad because I'm doing it myself. So of course it's not gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna put a rubber band on it because I want it to lay down. All right, and then I'm gonna just add some water and then some more mousse, and then just twist it up. So let's see. That's decent. I just gotta remember which way I did that. So hopefully the next one looks the same. I don't know, maybe I should use some edge control. This one I think was on the Black Girl Curls list, the Curls Blueberry Bliss one. So I'm gonna put water down. I don't like putting edge control on right on top of my hair. Well, I do have the leave-in, so I think I should be good. We'll see. When it dries, we will see. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it last year. And I did mini twists in the back, so I actually kept it in the twist. But this time I'm gonna take it out and do it as a twist out. So like half up in the flat twist, and then half in the twist out. Told y'all don't laugh at me. I need to find a better way to do this, because I think I'm actually better at cornrolling my hair. I used to love me some cornrows, but I think this in theory should be easier because it's a twist. So I want to try to perfect flat twist. It's funny, I like to be on camera for my YouTube videos, but at the same time, it can be very distracting to have to talk to the camera and try to do my hair, and it makes me kind of frustrated sometimes, so I had to do a lot of my hair off camera, which you'll see it'll just jump to me doing the very end of my hair. You know what's funny? In my videos, I just watched one back that I just finished editing from last week actually. I call this thing a tangle teaser. And I don't know if it's because tangle teaser is just easier to say than Felicia Leatherwood or what. Like I have a tangle teaser here, and you know, I haven't used it since being on the Detox. So maybe I should use it because I'm always talking about it. I don't know if y'all noticed that though. That I say tangle teaser, but I'm really using my Felicia Leatherwood.
A few moments later.
So this is what we're working with. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 twists, flat twists in the front, and a whole bunch of twists in the back. Don't mind how it looks. I'm gonna take it out for a twist out tomorrow, and I'll show you guys how I do it, or how it looks like when I'm done. I'm going to just put a scarf on right now so this part can lay down, because I didn't use too much of the edge control. So I still do want it to lay down while it dries. That way it'll be in place. And then in the morning, I will take the twist out and we will all see what it looks like.
Three days later.
So I'm back. It's like 2 days later. And I'm just going to untwist. Okay, these twists look very defined. I'm liking that so far. Can't find my pick, so I'm using this to pick that. And I think we are ready to go. I got 7 minutes, perfect timing. So back, let me, my mirror. Looks good. So let me do my little blush real quick. And now this is a mini get ready with me because I was rushing to get to church and you know, I didn't feel like turning off the camera. So I'm using the Merit Beauty Flush Blush, I believe is what it's called. It's a cream-based blush and it's so easy to use. I really love it. All right, so I am ready. So this is the final look. Once again, I think the twists are super, super defined. Yeah, super defined. I really like it. I could put more on if I wanted to lay it down a little bit, but I think I'm gonna go like it is. I think it looks fine. I'm gonna go to church. It is raining outside. It's supposed to be like, we had like a tornado watch this weekend, so it's been raining really bad all weekend. So we'll see how it holds after the rain. I'll come back after church to show you what it looks like. So I'm back from church and my hair basically still looks the same. It's been mixing between light rain and heavy rain all day. I did not have a jacket with a hood. I just had an umbrella, so my hair is holding up pretty well. I'd say twists are still very defined and y'all can see the back. I haven't looked at the back yet, but I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm back, it's Tuesday. I washed my hair on Friday, twisted it up, did this little style in the front, and I let it sit in the twist Friday, Saturday, took it out Sunday, say 4 days since I put the style in. So I just wanted to give you an update on what my hair looks like and how the products are working. It has been raining the entire weekend so far this whole week. So Friday, it was supposed to be, we were supposed to get like a tropical storm Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but it just rained really hard. So you got that, and I want y'all to take a look at my hair. How there's little to no frizz. And if there is, it's probably because I played with it. But like, little to no frizz at all. Like, look at that. It looks so good. So I think the mousse did really good. The only complaint that I have is here. Y'all see my gray hairs? But I don't know if you can see in the, yeah, here's one here. There's a few flakes in the front of my hair, in the front of my head, and I don't know if it's from the mousse, but I don't think so because it's not all the way across. It's only literally in the middle, and I think that is because I used this edge control. It's actually called a control paste. The Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste by Curls. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Let me just smell it. Blueberry. So it's blue and it's really good. It has a good hold, but it's not too rough on your hair. You know, some edge controls have like a super hold, and if you go like this, it will like hurt your edges because it's like so, I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The super hold edge controls, this one is very smooth and it just doesn't hurt. It doesn't like pull your edges or anything. So I think it's very healthy. So anyways, I try to use this for my flat twist, and I think maybe the mixture together could have made it flaky up here, because I did try to use a lot because it was in the middle, a lot of the edge control. So that's the only complaint I have, but it's literally only in the middle and it wasn't a lot. I just kept it there so I could show you guys on the camera, but I don't think there's anything else. So very, very satisfied with how my hair looks. And getting into the The mousse, I didn't realize it was a gel to foam mousse. It didn't seem jelly to me. Maybe it's jelly in here, and then when you pump it out, it's foam. Well, let's see if I can open it. It don't look jelly to me. So I don't know what they mean by gel to foam. But I will not complain about this at all because look at my hair. This is 4 days later. There's no frizz. It's been raining outside for the last 4 or 5 days and there's no frizz here. So the hold on this stuff is good. Cut your styling time in half with this lightweight, quick drying gel to foam styling mousse. This unique formula combines the definition and hold of a gel, okay, with the lightweight and movable texture of a mousse into one product. So, yes, I like that. Sept is great for waves, curls, and coils and can be used on many different hair types. So I do like that. It has the hold of a gel and I can attest to that because look at my hair. There's no frizz, no frizz, no frizz. So yes, I will definitely be reaching for these products again. Thank you, Miche, for sending them to me. I love that. So let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these products and what your experience with them was. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified whenever I post. And until the next one, bye.